Welcome to our journey through Belgium's hidden gems. From picturesque villages to breathtaking natural wonders, Belgium has so much more to offer than meets the eye. Today we're exploring some lesser-known but absolutely stunning places. These hidden spots are perfect for those who crave adventure and tranquility. Beyond Bruges canals and Brussels' Grand Place lies a treasure trove of hidden gems, each with its own unique charm. From historic sites to charming small towns, there's something for everyone. We'll venture off the beaten path to discover the real heart and soul of Belgium. These trails and locations offer a glimpse into the country's rich culture and natural beauty. So grab your backpack, put on your walking shoes, and get ready to experience the magic of Belgium's hidden gems. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious explorer, Belgium's hidden treasures await you. Our first stop is Dinant, a charming town along the Meuse River, known for its picturesque landscapes and serene atmosphere. Dinant's dramatic cliffs and the majestic Collegiate Church of Notre Dame are a feast for the eyes. The church, with its stunning Gothic architecture, stands proudly against the backdrop of towering cliffs. Look out for saxophone sculptures celebrating Adolphe Sax, the inventor of this iconic instrument. These colorful sculptures add a musical charm to the town, reflecting its rich cultural heritage. Hike to the citadel for breathtaking views and explore the rich history of the citadel of Dinant. The citadel offers panoramic vistas of the town and river, making the climb well worth the effort. Don't miss local specialties like Coupe de Dinant, a hard and sweet biscuit. This traditional treat is a perfect way to end your visit, giving you a taste of Dinant's culinary delights. Next, we're off to Ghent, known for its medieval grandeur and vibrant art scene. This city is a perfect blend of the old and the new, where history meets modern creativity. Tucked away in this historic city is Graffiti Street, a living, breathing art gallery. Here, every wall tells a story and every corner bursts with color and life. Ghent has designated this street for artists to express themselves freely, making it a dynamic outdoor exhibition. Artists from all over come to leave their mark, creating an ever-changing canvas. Wander down the street to appreciate the intricate murals, each piece more captivating than the last, and bold statements by local and international artists. The diversity of styles and messages is truly inspiring. Don't forget your camera. This is an Instagrammer's paradise. Capture the vibrant energy and share the beauty of Ghent's street art with the world. Prepare to be enchanted by Hallerbos Forest, a place straight out of a fairy tale. Each spring, the forest floor is blanketed in vibrant bluebells, creating a magical transformation. Imagine walking beneath a canopy of fresh green leaves, with sunlight illuminating a carpet of blue. This ephemeral beauty attracts nature lovers and photographers from far and wide. Get ready to be charmed by Derby, the smallest city in the world. Nestled in the Ardennes, Derby is a delightful step back in time. Explore cobblestone streets, medieval architecture, and cozy cafes for a cup of Belgian hot chocolate. Despite its size, Derby hosts an annual topiary festival, transforming the town into a whimsical wonderland. Our final stop is the royal greenhouses of Laeken on the outskirts of Brussels. This architectural marvel houses a stunning collection of rare and exotic plants. Stepping inside is like entering a tropical paradise, with the scent of exotic blooms and sunlight streaming through glass panels. These greenhouses are only open to the public for a few weeks each year, usually in spring. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Belgium's hidden gems. We hope you enjoyed discovering these off-the-beaten-path destinations. From Dinant's musical heritage to Ghent's Graffiti Street, Hallerbos Forest, Derby, and the royal greenhouses of Laeken, Belgium has something for every traveler. Let us know in the comments which place you'd like to visit first, and be sure to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.